realtors contacted me to help their client, and they have a lot of stuff all over their house. So let me just say this to you guys: if you are about to move, if you're looking to
take
move,
exit 59 toward Basswood Boulevard.
Thank you, Siri. Anyway, if you are looking to move, you can't avoid the inevitable, and that is you're going to have to declutter your home. You have to, because when people are coming to see your house and you've got stuff all over the place, they cannot picture themselves in your home. They can't get past all the stuff all over the counters, the cluttered bookcases and stuff all over the floor. You have to get your house in showroom status. So if you're going to be moving, this is the perfect time to declutter your home. Even if you're just going to throw stuff in boxes, for the love of God and all things pure, don't throw
at the
things
next light, turn
if
right.
You interrupt me one more time, Siri. Anyway, you don't throw stuff you don't want in these boxes and take it with you to your new home. This is the perfect time to declutter. So go on and do it. Matter of fact, some of y'all act like you're going to move. Declutter your house. You're going to feel better.
At the
Trust
light,
me.
turn right.
Oh my
Basswood Boulevard.
gosh. Siri,